following video demonstrates the Fatal Vision Polydrug alcohol and marijuana goggles tic-tac-toe activity. Use this activity to demonstrate the danger of combining the use of alcohol and THC. The Fatal Vision Polydrug alcohol and marijuana goggles and tic-tac-toe activity models the amplified impairments of distorted perception, poor motor coordination, and impaired executive function. Participants follow the simple activity instructions without using the goggles. They will walk a line, heel to toe, until they reach the table with the cone and balls set up, and then arrange the balls into two color-specific rows. The purpose of this first step is to demonstrate the participant's sober ability to complete the physical and cognitive tasks. The participant will perform the task a second time while wearing the Fatal Vision Polydrug alcohol and marijuana goggles. Participants will struggle to walk the line and place the balls in the designated order due to impaired coordination, distorted perception, and loss of problem-solving skills. This activity facilitates discussion about the amplified impairments that result from combining alcohol and marijuana and demonstrates the dangerous impact these impairments can have on home, school, work, and the community. For more information, visit our website at fatalvision.com or call us at 800-272-5023.